Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's video, it actually won't be a tutorial today. I'm actually just going to walk you through the process of me assembling a 3D topper. I've really been intrigued with these 3D toppers that I've been seeing all over the place, and I really wanted to start perfecting my craft and getting better at them. So I created this design in Cricut Design Space. These elements here are the elements that I'm actually going to print and cut. And I got these elements off of the internet, and this is going to be for my own personal use as practice. And in these elements that I'm moving here are the elements that I'm actually just going to cut with cardstock. So again, this is not a tutorial, but I do have some tutorials coming up shortly. I just wanted to get practicing and getting better at assembling 3D toppers. I think they're so amazing. They make such great gifts. So here I cut out all the pieces and I'm putting everything together using some foam tape, some glue, and just taking my time and adhering each layer individually. I created a back layer so I could hide the cupcake topper stick. I'm just starting from back to front, and I'm just learning as I go and critiquing myself so I could get better with each topper that I make. So sit back, relax. I'm just going to let you watch me as I create this door-inspired 3D topper, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you, and I'll see you at the end of the video. What do you think, guys? I think this came out really good. I kind of got a technique that I like, and I think it's going to work for me, and I'm going to keep practicing. Let me know in the comments below, have you made 3D toppers? I really wanted to start making some shakers toppers as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little come along with me video. It was fun. I'm ready to do more, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!